Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to double underline text in Google Sheets. Let's begin. There is no direct double underline option in Google Sheets. However, you can achieve this effect using a few alternative methods. The easiest and most effective methods are described below. Select your cells, then go to border and see this border style. Select double underline and again click any cells, border, use bottom border, and now we can see this double underline. Again, that's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.